What do I remember?
Using a condom every time?
Yeah, I remember. I don't ignore it. Using a condom every time during sex is really important.
Wow, Ria is smart. Life will be safe for sure when condom is used always.
Don't ignore, remember once more.
Kakun Henyo Trap National Awakening Movement Knam, Klather Ting E Yakasor Karjala, Halor Kajimbom La Banyapan Bed Bat Ka Assam, Nakabenta Ban Penbiang Yakibor Pahara, Kanang Bakinong Shong Shnong Kalapangap, West Giant Hills District, Kinyo Banet Ot Yaukba, Nakiling Kai Kajonki. Kani kalawan long shisngi hadin ba Menteri Rangba Kajala Ukonrad Ke Sangma, Ulakerpat Ikinong Shong Shnong Kalapangap, Bayamentahi, Kin Kiershwa nakajinglet ot kaba, kanang banla un pene yaka shong suk shong shngan, haka nikathan kaput ka Meghalaya, Assam. Kalong kabas ngusi shibun bakinong rep kijongi na lapangam, kim shimla yo ban let ot ya ukba na kilingkai kijongki, hadien kijing persyang ki balabun sien, na mar kajing beteng ban ngat haka jing syak thambor na kishnong karbi, na luar kata kalong ru kabakam ngusi shushu, ban yo sngon ba Menteri Rangba Kajala, ba umla ban penbiang ikibor paharai kinong rem bakin let ot ya ukba na markat kum kajing ong jong u kajing shngan jo kajing im kade ka bakam kongsan ong working president ka knam uba Thomas Pasa ha ka kerwa ha ka khat riu tri risau nga kermen ba Menteri Rangba ru usngu thu ba kinong rep ni ka shnong ki ba im da ka rep karyang bat ki ba besaya la ki yeng kesam da ka belet ot bat khat ki marab Omla khang banet ot iki marab ka yeng kasam jongki ka don ha ka jingma. Ngila kami lenti ba Menteri Rangba unya kren bat ka Assam, bat ban pen ko ngu na kabenta ban pen biang lang iki bor pahara, ban ailat ka jinglet ot ka ba ulaong. Nalor kata ula dawaru balada ka sorkar Meghalaya kamla ban pen biang pahara, kade ban siaw ya ka bailut kesan syakinong rem halur ka jingdu ka jongki. Uba Thomas ula keno ru baka jingbam le AA jong ka sorkar kadon ka jinga day bat ka jingpelong ya ka election ha ka bay ka jingkren baka jinga penben la bu teng tat hadu bandakut ka election ha Assam bat on bu teng shushu hadin ka election ha Meghalaya bat hadin ka election MP kat ba kinong rap ka lapangam kin beteng ban ngat ha ki jing e.
Dude, Priya and Reha both want to meet me today. I just met Shreya yesterday. What should I do?
First, go and get yourself tested for HIV.
HIV test?
You have multiple casual relationships and unsafe sexual practices. So it is important to get tested for HIV.
You are scaring me, bro.
I'm not trying to scare you. I'm trying to make you aware. Having sex with someone without a condom carries the risk of HIV. Why are you always ignoring this? Do I have to remind you every single time? And yes, you seriously need to change your behavior.
Okay, fine. I'm not ignoring it. Sorry, Priya. Sorry, Reha. Today I am giving time to the HIV test, not to you guys.
If your habits are like Rahul, HIV test is important for you.